Marsai Martin has her own press-on nail line, and we're going to review today. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I do fashion hauls, fashion lookbooks, press-on nail reviews, and sometimes travel. Y'all, this is a subscriber request. Again, I be writing for y'all, okay? When you put a request in the comments, I try my best to accommodate, okay? And that is what we did. I am really excited. The line looks exquisite, okay? So I could not wait to get these nails and share what I got, what they look like, and if they're worth the price for you guys. Now, let's first talk about ordering. It was very simple. I did reach out to PR, so these were gifted to me. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ. Thanks to you guys as well. And I was able to order 4 sets of nails. So I put in my order on the 13th of October and they arrived on the 20th. So only 7 days, honey. 7 days for shipping. That's quite nice. For a regular business, 7 full days start to finish is impeccable. Especially because once I placed my order, the next email I got the same day was that my order was going out. Secondly, if you order 3 sets of nails, you get this card snatcher, which is normally $15. You get it for free. And she's cute. Like, of course, it's going to be branded. Go ahead. And then this little ball here, which can also be a keychain. You can also clip this off, so you can just put this in your purse or put this on your keys. You can also just use this as a keychain. You got options. You got options. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. With that being said, let's get into these nails. First up, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. These are the CEO and they are the Radiant Cut and they were $22. So I will say I've only had them on for today, so I can't tell you how the paint is going to wear, but to be safe, I will put a top coat on these because nobody is painting these nails for Miss Marsai. Okay, these are definitely printed on. The packaging is impeccable. Okay, it comes with the 24 nails, just like any other nail set would. There is going to be a size 5.5 and I believe a 6.5. So you do get those 2 half sizes, but she's cute. So each layer of nails is going to have 12 nails on them. Then under that is going to be the glue, the prep kit. All of that stuff is going to be at the very bottom. I will say the nails are nice and thick. They're not thin, because sometimes I forget to tell y'all that if they're thick or thin nails, honey. They're not as thick as some other ones that I've seen. They're like regular, shall I say. They're not super thin, but they're not like super thick either. But if you add a gel top coat, this should make it even thicker and make them wear a lot longer. Okay, the nude on the nail bed is a nice color. It's also not super transparent either. You can kind of see some of the glue through it and where the glue is not touching the nail. Okay, but it's not horrible, if that makes sense. But I love this design. The opacity of the design is top tier. Okay, the white is not really giving transparent. Okay, the black is nice and thick to where when it overlaps the white, there's no issues. So the design is well made. You just don't want it to rub off. Okay, next up, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. These are the Miss Minimalist and they were $20. I really like these. I love a good just plain throw on and go nail, honey. We ain't got to think about if the design matches your outfit or not. Okay, because it's always going to be giving. You know I love a stiletto. So I was happy that they had this. I do wish that the stiletto was just a little bit longer. Just like a touch longer. Because like I said, my nails are starting to grow out. So that's a personal problem that I have. And I did have to cut my nails under these just because they was peeking out. They was popping out and that was not cute for them. Okay, so we had to cut them. So I think if I cut my nails down, these will be perfect. But I love the very like it says Miss Minimalist design of these and how they're matte. Like they kind of have a bit of a texture to them, which I like. These are really cute. Now let's open these. So the nail is just going to be the nail color And looking from this way, it's kind of like a little ombre a little bit. It seems a little bit lighter here where your like cuticle would be, and then it gets a little bit darker towards the tip of the nail. But these are really cute. I would not say that these are really wide nail bed friendly because I'm wearing the 0. On my thumb, I normally am somewhere either a 1 or a 0. So the fact that I'm in a 0, these may not be the best for you. But again, I may have wide nail beds and I just don't know it. I don't think I do, but maybe I do. I don't know. This is a 0. But yeah, I like this matte on here. These seem a little bit thinner than the ones that I have on, especially towards the cuticle part. They're a bit thinner. So if you do drill your nails, just be mindful of that, because some people do that before they put like the top coat on and the acrylic and all of that stuff. So there's not much for you to drill down there. But these are cute. I really like this like soft pinky color. It's really gorgeous in person. Next step, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. These are the Sun's Day and they were $28. So I did want to get some that had a little bit more design to it because you know I love my little nail art, honey, okay? These ones are definitely going to be more of a negative space nail, and then they have the daisies that are like placed sporadically on there. And these are cute. Now, I do like that the numbers that are like closer together, the 9 and the 10 are going to be like the same design, because more than likely you're not going to have like one finger be a 9 and then this will be a 10, or vice versa, whatever, y'all get it. And then everything else is pretty much different, which I like because we've had it on this channel before where 2 side by side or exactly the same design, and I don't like that. Okay, I like mine to be all different. And with this set, all my nails will be different. Now I want to see how thick or thin they are compared to these ones and the last ones. These do look printed on. The yellow dots for the middle of the daisies aren't always centered, but you will need to put a top coat on these. Definitely. Yeah, these are going to be a little bit thinner again towards your cuticle. You might have to file these a little bit. They do have a bit of a curvature to them towards the tip of the nail, which I kind of like because normally they just go straight out. So I kind of like a little dip, but these are pretty. These are definitely gonna be a spring nail because of these little daisies. I love me a good little floral moment, honey, okay, as we can see. And I think you could even do these with a matte top coat and they'll still be giving, okay, what you want them to give. The nail bed part, even though it is supposed to be like negative space, or I'm thinking it's supposed to be negative space, is quite pink. So just be aware of that. It does seem a little bit lighter again towards the cuticle than it does toward the tip of the nail, but these are pretty. Again, just like a good little spring nail for me to wear. Next up, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. These are the Quiet on Set and they were $22. I really like this design. Y'all know I love me a little abstract design, honey. You know I do. And all of the nails are different. Okay? You know how I always talk about that. Like how the nails, they just be the same. Okay? These are all different. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I do like this like black, white, and gray moment that they're giving us. And these are cute. These are going to be more of like an almond shape versus the stiletto. Okay, some of the printing on this one isn't as clean as these are giving, but other than that, they are cute. It's just where some of the like ink overlaps. It's a little runny, or like it kind of bleeds. That's the word I'm looking for. It kind of bleeds over the other color, mainly with the black into the white. That may be with their drying process or something. I don't know. Let's see how thick these are. Oh, these are thicker. These are thicker. Not much, but they are thicker in the nail bed area than the other ones were. But these are basically almost like the same thickness. No, it's a little bit thicker towards the tip as well. But these are cute. You're definitely going to have to probably file these just a bit at the tip. I'm seeing this one's a little bit rough, but that's okay. This design is really cute though, guys. Like, here's it out of the package. I think for $22, this is good. I would have kind of expected these to be $28 versus the flower ones, but that's their business. This nail bed is going to be lighter than this, but not as pink as the other ones. It's more of like a nudish color, if that makes sense. That is it, y'all. That is my full haul. Overall, I think that her nails are worth it. I'll be sure to leave the link to everything in this haul in the description box below. And put in the comments if you guys have any other nail places that you want me to try. Since you made it this far, you might as well join the tribe of baddies on a budget, honey. And hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. Until next time, y'all, watch this video. Those pics specifically for you.